Did you know that children of narcissistic parents often suffer from mental health effects of this treatment even into childhood? In case you may be wondering what narcissism is all about, well, according to research, it is a personality disorder or trait that can affect someone's self-image and how they interact or treat people. And being a narcissistic parent is not a trait that started when you just became a parent. It's something that started from childhood and affected you, that you grew up and become a parent, and then you are transferring that trait or that behavior to bring up your child or to bring up children into the world. And so it definitely will affect them as they too will grow up and become parents too. So it goes on and on if not well treated or if not well handled. Now, here are some of the traits in case you may be wondering. When you use bullying to maintain control, such as teasing, gaslighting, manipulating, or even criticism, you are a narcissistic parent. When you are emotionally inactive or inflexible, while not allowing your child to feel loved or display their emotions, you are a narcissistic parent. When you constantly abuse a child, either physically, emotionally, or verbally, intentionally or not, you are a narcissistic parent. Now, here are the effects on your child. Your child may have difficulty protecting themselves from you, and this may have a long-term mental effect on them, even into adulthood. Children of narcissistic parents often have high level of low self-esteem, doubts, guilt, and they find it difficult to make decisions in their own lives. Let's hear more from Nefisa Sparrows.
They shouldn't be held hostage, because when they are held hostage to that, again, what they learn is they are not important, they don't matter. And when kids begin to grow up feeling and thinking that they don't matter, a lot of them as children and as they're growing up, they become hypervigilant.
Now, let's talk about how to protect your child from these effects. Firstly, become a safe parent that your child can run to at any time whenever the need arises. Create personal boundaries with the parents that your child can follow. Set examples of healthy behaviors that your child can engage in. You know, they say children learn from what their parents display. So if you set those examples of good behavior to your child learns fast, so they follow suit. Children learn from actions more than they learn from words. Communicate openly and validate your child's feelings and concerns. This is very important to all parents. Keep documentation and take action if neglect or abuse occur. And lastly, if you watch this video and you find that you have a trait of these attributes of a narcissistic parenting in you, seek professional help for you and your child. This will remedy the faults. I hope this video meets someone out there and it makes sense to many parents out there. If it does, please don't forget to hit the like button and drop a comment at the comment section if this helped you, or if you know someone who knows someone that this will help. And at the end screen of this video, look out for more interesting video. The answers you seek for might just be there in our channel, Family Values. So don't neglect it. And before I go, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, Family Values, please do well to subscribe to get real heart-to-heart talk videos, real life videos around family, relationship, marriages. We are wired to just keep the vibes in marriage alive. We deal with positivity and kill negativity. See you in my next video.